we conducted a research related to learning system competencies, importance to extension educators. I am Nav Ghimire, and with me to conduct this research was Dr. Robert Martin. Educational processes are used by the cooperative extension system for delivering and planning and evaluating educational activities. It is important that people are involved in the learning activities through the educational program in extension. To become a successful organization of change in the future, Cooperative Extension Service must train its educator to become competent in the educational processes. We conducted a research in the learning system competencies to determine how these competencies are important for extension educators in the North Central region. The purpose of the study was determine the relative importance of competencies, identify best time to learn, identify the demographics of the respondents in this study, and determine differences based on respondents' demographics. The method used for this study was a survey design. 811 North Central Region extension educators were randomly selected for the study, and the questionnaire was designed in a SurveyMonkey and emailed to the participants. To measure the importance of the competencies, it was designed in a 5-point Likert type scale, as well as best time to learn was designed in 3 different categories. We had a response rate of 55%. The findings shows that mean age of the respondents was 48, 58% were females, mean experience was 15 years, and majority of the participants had master's degree. We tried to find out the demographics and perception. It was found that 8 out of 11 learning system competencies included in this study were considered as highly important. Among the 11 competencies, 3 of the competencies was considered to be learned on the job by experience, and rest of the competencies were considered to be learned in service training and in a graduate program. It was found that t-test showed significant differences by gender on the importance of the competencies. However, the correlation was 0.19. It shows that the variance contributed in perception being a male or female was very low. That's why we thought it may not have practical importance. In summary, we found that 73% of all competencies were considered as highly important, and 28% of them were considered to be learned on the job, 36% in an in-service training, and 36% in a graduate program. So it shows that majority of the competencies participants wanted to be learned in service program or in a graduate program. In conclusion, the result shows that demographics did not influence participants' perception about the importance of learning system competencies. the majority of the participants perceived that most of the learning system competencies should be learned in an in-service training program or in a graduate program. So we concluded that there is a need for professional training in the learning system for the extension educators in the North Central region of the United States. After going through the findings of the study, we had some recommendations. The recommendation is that North Central Region Cooperative Extension System should organize a professional development program on learning system to extension educators, as well as the Cooperative Extension Service should think about organizing an educational workshop so that participant will be able to learn the competency while on the job through experience. And for those students pursuing their career in extension, there should be graduate level courses in the learning system competencies. And it is also important that we need to conduct some on-the-job training workshops to make it easy for extension educators to learn competencies. These are the references used for this presentation. At the end, we would like to summarize that the findings have implications not only in the North Central region, but also in the international extension settings. So we would also recommend that extension agencies in the countries of South America, Africa, Asia, Australia, and Oceania should think about using the findings from this study or conduct a similar study to find out whether these competencies are relevant in various international extension settings. And based on those findings, the extension agencies in those countries can develop professional development model for their extension educators. We thank you very much for listening us. Thank you so much.